Hello and welcome to Nikolai's Genetics Lessons, and today I have prepared two multiple choice questions for you. And here is the first question. Secretion begins when the body sends a biochemical message to a cell to begin producing a particular substance. In response to the stimulus, information in certain genes is copied into the molecules. You have to make a choice which directs the manufacture of. You also have to make a choice, and here 4 answers to choose from. So if this is going to be double-stranded DNA, and let's assume that here we have a gene, so one of the strands of this message RNA that we call template strand would be used in order to build message RNA, and this message RNA would be used in order to build a chain of proteins. And of course, this chain of proteins later would be shaped into its three-dimensional form, usually globular protein, and somewhere on this stage we would see um, tRNAs that would bring individual amino acids, and these individual amino acids would form this peptide chain. So now we can choose the correct answer, and as you see, the correct answer would be answer A. So once again, in response to stimulus, information in certain genes is copied into the molecules of message RNA, which directs the manufacture of proteins. And next question, which of the following statements about membrane proteins is true? Answer A, or statement A. They are important in the cell's interactions with other cells, and this is true. And answer B, they can cluster on lipid rafts that float on the phospholipid bilayer, and this is also true. So let me draw a picture here. This is going to be bilipid layer, and from the outside it is going to be hydrophilic, and from the inside this is going to be hydrophobic. And also we can see that this bilipid layer may have transmembrane proteins that look like this, and also in some places where we see lipid rafts we may see integrated different molecules, such as molecules of the cholesterol that add rigidity to such lipid rafts. Also we can find here glucoproteins, and we also may find here glucolipids. So this is basically sugars integrated with lipids or with proteins. Some of them perform a function of antigens. Consider, for example, ABO blood group system, where different blood groups are different because they have different sugar chains on the glucoproteins. These lipid rafts are constantly moving in bilipid layer, so in constant movement, but they tend to stay together due to different integrated components, especially such as molecules of cholesterols that add rigidity to these lipid rafts. So this is, as you see, also true answer. And answer C, they can form channels for ions, and this transmembrane protein also can represent ion channel. Some channels may use energy in order to let molecules pass inside or outside. Energy that is used in the form of ATP, we call them active transport channels, and those that don't need energy, we call passive transport channels. So as you see, this is also true answer, and the correct answer would be answer D. All of the above answers are true. And I also have a hint for you. If you have, for example, 3 or 4 answers and one of them, all of the above answers are true, but you are not sure about one of the answers, but you know for sure that at least 2 answers, 100% are true, you can choose answer all of the above. And this is all for today. Thank you for attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.